First, what we're going to do, we're going to release discharge. We're using the P-trap clean out. We open up, discharge the water which is collecting in a P-trap over the time, which is always has to be full of water, just for you to know. We release the water. Now our discharge pipes, drain pipes are empty. We're going to unscrew the strainer from the drain system. Now we're gonna hold with the screwdriver the top portion of it, because we're gonna unscrew the drain assembly, the strainer out of it, and you can see it right now from the bottom. It's something is moving because it's another portion of the strainer, which we're unscrewing right now, disconnecting it. There we go, because it's a two parts. One going on top, another one it's at the bottom of the sink. Done. Those two parts out of it. As you can see, the strainer is pretty old and it's continuously giving the problems for the people in a kitchen. It's just a workshop kitchen. We're preparing the new one. It has a lot of parts in it. You will have to remove everything first. Done. This part will go to the top, but we have to prepare everything. First, you have to clean the sink. Ready? Then we're gonna do the plumber's putty, just to prevent any leakages in the future. You can buy this anywhere, even Home Depot, any plumbing supplies. Then we have to apply this to the strainer underneath, because when we're gonna tidy it up, it's gonna help us to prevent any small drips or leakages out of it. Ready? This is part goes on top, and we're right now preparing the bottom portion, because we're gonna tidy it up and screw it back. As you can see, as when we push, there's more plumbing putty is coming out, because the extra plumbing putty will be removed and put it back to the jar. What do we have? There we go. We tied it up even more. Right now, you're gonna put the second portion of the strainer, which will be connected to the drain system. First with the hands, and then we're gonna use pliers to tidy it up. Then you can see that a little bit more putty will come out. It's more tight. You will screw it in. Preparing the drain pipe. It's going to be reused. Nothing wrong with this pipe. We're just going to replace the washer. And we will put a little bit more plumbing putty. Ready to put it in. Preparing the P-trap to put it back, because we'll reassemble first. Everything is ready to put the trap back. This trap with the clean out, as you can see, that is a discharge underneath, and it's also not the glued ones, because it can be two types of P-trap. One is glued, another one just screwed. Tied it up, all good. Everything is ready to go. Check up. Putting the water, checking if any drip, any wetness. We just take the paper towel, touch everywhere to make sure it's no wetness coming out at any points. Done. Ready to go. You can do this at home yourself. It's not so complicated, but if you're in a condo, you need to get the licensed plumber to do so. There we go. Final checkup. Good. Water is running nicely, freely. Enter Plumbing. You can reach us anytime by live chat or website or email.